the student from school. Lỗi kì. Ở chơi mà ăn mấy thằng kìa. What? The ReaLife of student visualize chia sim center một. Some students they waiting for their family related to come to take them to home. Students sometimes they student from shooting the rain. During the rain, they use an umbrella to protect from the water or the rain. Wow, what a school name! Salam Trajit Aben Dan Lai. I never know this school. Go up. This video I want to show you about the situation, the reality in Cambodia, Phnom Penh, during the rain keep dropping. It's the long student from school. Wow. This is the student. This place I really to travel to try my motor. But in this video you will see the place that I am driving. Student from school. At this time is in the evening that I take the video for you to see the light in Cambodia, shooting the evening. Yes, they're from buying something. It's like close. Student from school at this time. The weather is not well just because of raining right now. After the whole day, please enjoy watching this video that I show you about the ReaLife in Cambodia, the ReaLife Cambodian people living, and you may get to know the reality, the situation in Phnom Penh. My video, I want the people living abroad, especially Cambodian people living abroad, that they don't know about the situation in Phnom Penh in Cambodia, so they will know about what happened in Cambodia right now. Yes, this school we call là Suburban High School. They use an umbrella to protect from the raining. It's so busy at this time. The people from working, people from school, some students. Yes, an umbrella. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and watch the long video, and share this video to your friend, your family, your related people that you want to know, and come here to visit Cambodia. Wow, we call slide. Students still inside. Hello. Wow, they go. Regarding my English speaking, I think my English not well. I can speak English a little bit, so my pronunciation maybe not fluently. Okay, so apologize me for my English speaking, but I do my best to speak English for you to understand what I'm talking, what I am describing. Good. Hello. It's so busy right now. They sell the product makeup. Student from school. They sell the bookstore some material about school. It's nearby Central High School. They sell, yes. Lỗi kì. Bây chơi mày ăn mày thập kì. Chú đó nè. She said she saw my camera. At this time it's so busy that people from working, some students from school shooting the rain. Wow. Yeah, the student from school. Wow. The rain still drop, small drop. This is the reality in Cambodia that I show you, the real life of Cambodian people living currently. For the purpose to show Cambodian action to the world to know, and they share the children. This road we call Cambodia Road. Yes. We call Cambodia Road. Yeah, the store selling the product. Pharmacy. Also cafe shop, makeup shop. Cambodian children. What? They run to that vehicle. They're waiting for the green light. This school we call Santermok High School. Yes, Santermok High School. You see, it is the ReaLife of student Vichilai Jesim Santermok. You say Jesim Santermok High School. Ah, try. The student use an umbrella to protect from the raining. Some students waiting for the bus. The bus here. The bus state, yeah, it's free for students, no charge. Some students they waiting for their family related to come to take them to home. Students sometimes they take pass up to the home. Yes. Maybe she waiting for their family to, or she waiting for the bus. I'm not sure, but maybe her family. Chăm nè kìa. Chăm nè kìa. Chăm là tia mà giờ. Hả? Thật mày mà to chứ mẹ. Cho này chăm mày kìa. Đó chăm cái mẹ chăm cái mà giờ này. Riêng tim ma này. Tim bầy. Tim ba là. They cross the road. Maybe he waiting for the bus stop. But I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe the bus stop waiting. It's over there. Hello. Hello vậy mà. Student from shooting the rain. It's raining. You see? A big cafe took away. This place is so nice, new. So we call koi the koi. Shooting the rain. We call Phnom Penh. School we call City School. University. No, university in Sisu.